So next MCQ is, consider the following code segment. Now let us try to evaluate each of the statements one by one. So this says, for int x is equals to 0, x is less than 15, x plus equals to 2. Now this for loop means the x value should start from 0. What should be the next possible value? X plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So on, we have to go till x is less than 15. So what are the possible values? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Correct? So these are the possible values of x, all the possible values. Okay. Now what we have to do is, we have to check this if condition. And if this condition is satisfied, we have to print the value of x. So one thing is for sure, whatever we are going to print, whatever x value we are going to print will be possible or will be present in this group, right? So let us now try to look into these values and try to eliminate the options. Now see, if we notice, here are all the even numbers. So if we have any odd number in the options, we will eliminate that option. So here we have 9, we will eliminate this. Okay, here we do not have any odd number. Okay, here we have 9, we will eliminate this as well. Then here we have 5, 7, 9. Again, this is not possible. So here we have eliminated the 3 options. Now let us try to look into this if condition. So if x mod 3, what is this? Mod is an operator that gives you the remainder. So whatever the value of this x is, when you will divide it by 3, you will get some remainder. Now, if that remainder is equal to 0, that means this if condition will give you the multiples of 3. So all the multiples of 3 which are present over here should be printed. Correct? So let's look into it. So 0, okay, 6, okay, 12. So 0, 6, 12 will be printed with the help of this code snippet. So 0, 6, 12. So here comes our option B. This is the correct option.